Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are all fine and good. Welcome all of you in my channel Plants Corner. Here you can see this is bot lily plant, which is also called cradle into mosses. It is also called cradle lily, mosses lily, bot lily, but its specific name is cradle into mosses. It is very beautiful two leaves plant, two color. The upper side is green and the lower side is in red color or dark purple color. So it's look beautiful into your garden. But today I will see you the flowers of this plant because it is spring and it has also so many teeny little beautiful white flowers. It has not only very beautiful flowers but also its leaves has very beautiful and gives very beautiful look to your garden. So must add it into your garden. So goodbye, see you again with another useful and informative content.